Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Beats Fit Pro with your Windows laptop. So first of all, you have to open this charging case, input both earbuds inside, then click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking white. Just like that. Right now, put this case close to your laptop and do not close it. Next, you have to go for the settings on your Windows PC. Go for the Bluetooth devices. Turn it on by tapping on the switcher and click to add device. Select Bluetooth and now just wait until they pops on the list. Right now we can scroll down to check if they are not at the bottom of the list, and here it is. So select them once, and as you can see we are successfully connected, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.